You'll never believe how much home you can get for your money until you get a price quote. Going through our best value price quote process is one of the most exciting and informative parts of building your custom home. We created this revolutionary, one-of-a-kind pricing system. It's free, with no obligation, and it truly puts you in the driver's seat. In as little as an hour, you can be holding a comprehensive printout, room by room, rooftop to countertop, and everything in between, with pictures and descriptions. All the choices made by you for your new home. 100% itemized, so you'll know where every dollar is spent in your new home. Unlike other builders, where everything is an allowance, with us you'll know the price of everything, right down to the shower head. Our new home consultants work with you to create an exceptional home within your budget with no pressure. You'll get to see how Schumacher Homes, as America's largest custom home builder, affords us superior purchasing power and provides you higher quality materials for the best value at the best price. If you don't have land, it's not a problem. About half of our homeowners don't have land when they come to us. We have strong relationships in the real estate community, and we can connect you with an agent who can help. Another benefit of receiving your quote is free access to our exclusive online design team. They modify your design right before your eyes. So go ahead and move walls and add rooms so you can see what your changes mean for your home, both inside and out. Call us or stop in today to schedule your free, no obligation price quote.